Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I am back again with a new video. As I said in last video that I am going to bring a schedule for you all so that you can follow that and you can prepare for the December exam. Firstly, scorecards are out, so those who have to download their scorecards, they can download it now. And now let's see about the strategy. I won't be giving you a proper timetable that from August 1 to August 4 you should be doing this subject. These subjects are totally upon you, which subject with you want to start, which subject with you want to end. It's just how much maximum days, number of days you should be taking. Firstly. Secondly, this that you are free to follow your own schedule if you have already made, whether you are an aspirant or you are going to repeat the exam. It is totally on you. If you have already been studying from before and your subjects are completed, so you can definitely follow this for your first revision plan, because first revision, whoever it is, the one who is doing it, should be in a deep revision. You should go through each and every point with proper explanations, and you should figure it out that which subject and which topic of yours is not commanded well, means you are lacking the knowledge of that topic, or you have not understood, you're not having a proper note of that topic. So these are something which you should figure it out, and you should do your first revision, because first revision should be fully thorough to each and every point. You should not be skipping, and you should not be thinking that this is a hard topic, this is a big topic, this is an important topic, this is not asked. Right now in your first revision you need to see everything, you need to revise each and every point. So first revision should be in that manner. Now I have not made, I said you already, I have not made properly, routine wise that from 1st August you should start with anatomy and 4 days of anatomy, then next physio. I have not did that. I have just gave you the number of days which I planned, because I already said you that after coming back my only medicine was left. So first I took 20 to 25 days for medicine, and in that also I didn't complete an entire medicine. I left some part for afterwards when I'll cover it in revision part, because I was doing it from main videos. Now one more question which will be asked by you, you should be doing it from rapid revision or you should be doing it from main videos. That is also depending on you. If you can cover the entire content of main video, if you are first time doing and you can cover entire content, go for main videos. If you have already did main videos, you can obviously switch to rapid revision. That is a better option for you. And if you have not studied anything till now and you are going to do it by yourself, like home-based study with the app, so you can switch it to rapid revision for a lot of subjects. 1 or 2 subjects it will feel that you should do with main videos, but apart from that, if it is prep, I can give you the guarantee for prep rapid revisions, maximum all the subjects can be covered very good way. So this is one thing. Now let's start with this. So here it is. I have made this according to my how much times I gave for the, how much days I used to give it for. So firstly I have kept it from August 1 to October 15. October 15 till why I have kept it, should be ideally till September 30 you should finish it. But in between, you can be taking some days off, or maybe it is going to be hectic, maybe your 3 days becomes 4 days. So you have in your hand around 12 days according to this whole time. It is total days of 66 days. So you are still having some days in your hand. So you can flexibly shift your subjects here and there. You can take 1 day extra, you can take 1 day less. It is not at all bound that you should be finishing it in 5 days only, or you should be finishing it in 6 days only. So let's start. I have already divided it in some sections, so you can come to know that the first section is of physio, anat, patho, micro, pharma. So these are our first year, second year subjects, and these are the basics of everything. So that next one is all the main subjects column. This all 4 subjects are main subjects. Next one is, these are the intermediate one. It's easy as well as it's hard. Some parts are really easy and some parts are hard, but you can, if you have got the concept, means you can easily tackle the questions for them. And the last one is for short subjects. So पहले short subjects से start करते हैं. Short subjects, for my recommendation, if you are starting afresh, if you have not studied before anything about the short subjects, please don't go for main videos, please don't do that whole thing, just switch to rapid revision. Rapid revision में almost every points are covered, all the important points which is needed for the exam is covered there. Even if you want a more shorter version, you can watch the chanting session, but I will say right now you have time, so please do watch the rapid revision. 2 दिन लगेंगे for completing all these. I think you will be sorted with that, and it is in a easy manner. It is not so much hectic, and all the important points are covered. Just don't skip those points. One thing it is, if you are doing RR, प्लीज उसमें से कुछ भी स्किप मत करना. देयर इज नो स्कोप ऑफ स्किपिंग दैट ऑल कंटेंट. So you are done with your 6 subjects. Every day for 2 days you are going to take. इसमें तुम you can fluctuate, because if you will be reading it nicely, means I think so radio you can finish it in 1 day, because I did it in 1 day. You can finish it in 1.5x. 1.5 1.8 पे if you are going to watch, so it will be finished. But you can do it in your way. You are totally flexible upon that. So it is of 12 days total. Try to do it from RR and you will be sorted with your 6 subjects. Next we'll shift to this side. This is physio and AT for gave 4 days because you need to read it in depth. You can obviously take little bit extra days also, and AT is a very vast subject. I can understand. If you're having a good command of anatomy, that is really good. If you're not having a good command of anatomy, don't be afraid that how am I going to balance the subject. Don't worry, it will be done. Just make sure that while reading the anatomy part, you correlate it with the PYQs. Go and just see some most asked topics of PYQs. And then you will come to know that what are the important points. I mean, everything in anatomy is supposed to be studied, but for the exam, is everything necessary? No. For exam, everything is not necessary. I'll give you a basic example. You need to know the you need to know which nerves will get injured for different palsies. If median nerve palsy it is, hand wrist drop it is, so which nerves are getting blocked and which nerves are getting paralysis. I mean, which nerve palsy it is. But on the other hand, that brachial plexus one part which we studied so deeply, we put our entire brain in that. They don't ask you the brachial plexus, what is the root value of this. So that is not a question which they ask. They apply it in the question form. Yeah, you should be aware about that, but you should know it by heart. No, it's not that. So anatomy is a vast subject, but you have to make it easy for you. You should know what you have to study and what is not very much needed to keep in mind, because there is a lot of things to keep in mind and anatomy is really vast. So you should plan for that accordingly. Don't get fully carried away with anatomy, that because it is a very exhausting subject. And उसके बाद physio and AT दोनों के लिए ये है. You can, I have not wrote any RR there because it is totally on you. If you want to switch to RR, it is totally on you. If you have done it with main videos, how also it is working for you. पैथो माइक्रो के लिए I have specially mentioned RR because प्रीति शर्मा मैम से अगर तुम RR कर रहे हो, so that is more than enough. You no need to switch to main videos. I think so total दोनों के लिए 18 to 19 hours की वीडियो है RR की, and you should see it without skipping. 2.5 days it will take ideally 5 days, but I still gave 1 day extra so that तुम्हारे पास क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का भी टाइम रहे and you can complete it nicely. So 3 days भी अगर with question solving, so with 3 days also you are going to give me 3 days 6 days में तुम्हारे पैथो माइक्रो it will be sorted. Pharma for you need to give 4 days. If you can give 1 more day extra, like you can take 5 days for completing, so it's totally fine. So I'll add 1 more 5. Okay, so this is also it's fine. You can add 1 more day also. उसके बाद आते हैं मेन सब्जेक्ट्स पे. सी मेन सब्जेक्ट्स अगर तुमने पहले एक बार कंप्लीट किया है, so that is really very good. For you rapid revision will be easy. But अगर नहीं complete किया है and then you have to be doing it from rapid revision, yeah, it can be done from rapid revision. There is no problem in that. Rapid revision से नहीं होगा. But there is some way of doing the rapid revision. PSM for rapid revision is okay. PSM for I will give you one suggestion from my side. Don't continue for doing PSM as a subject and take 6 days. It will be very boring. Your interest will go after 2 days after when some topics will come, because that all topics will be really very boring and you lose the interest. So better do this, that with all the subjects which you will be doing, or else you shift the PSM with the short subjects. Every day do 8 hours of short subjects or 6 hours of short subjects, and at the end of the day 2 hours of PSM for you keep. Now PSM for how you should keep, if rapid revision से तुम कर रहे हो, rapid revision में topic by topic है, right? Communicable disease and something, vaccination and something, so वो topic by topic है. Daily pick, I think so, total of 12 to 13 topic videos are there. The rapid revision total 12 to 13 videos are there in prep. So तुम उस डेली एक वीडियो को फिनिश करने का टारगेट रखना. डेली एक वीडियो फिनिश करके 1 टॉपिक विल गेट कम्प्लीटेड एंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेना आइदर द सेम डे और द नेक्स्ट डे. So that way you're in 12 days with your short subject. The PSM also will get completed and you won't get bored. कुछ videos 2 to 3 hours है. More than that no videos are there, which is very long. Before it was, but now when the new version has come, I think so that is sorted. So videos उतने लंबे नहीं है. अगर उतने लंबे है तो if you can do it in 1 day it's good, or else you can split it with 2 days. तो तुम्हारे 12 to 13 days में PSM complete हो जाएगी 2 hours करके. If you want not to get bored, because I when started doing, मैंने एक बारी में किया था and it was boring. Starting का 1-2 days it was okay, but when after some parts started coming, chlorination and soil, air, water, that all chapters, it was really very boring. So you can do that for that. उसके बाद आते हैं ये लास्ट 4 पे एनटीपीडिया, ऑप्था एंड बायोकेम। इसके लिए 3 डेज इनफ है बिकॉज दीज आर सम इंटरमीडिएट सब्जेक्ट, दे आर रियली इजी इफ यू हैव द इंटरेस्ट, यू नो, इफ यू हैव गॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट रियली गुड, इफ वेदर दे ट्विस्ट द क्वेश्चन और वॉट एवर ऑल्सो यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बहुत इजिली कवर हो जाता है। सो दैट इज नॉट एन इश्यू फॉर दीज सब्जेक्ट्स, सो यू कैन कवर दीज सब्जेक्ट्स विद दिस। अब if you are going to calculate this total means it is going to come around 64 to 66 days of total। तभी मैंने October 15 डाला है, or else I would have kept it September 30 till now। It is on you how much days you want to take for completing। If you can shift your days in less time, you can complete it within before 15। If you can take little bit extra time till 15, आराम से complete हो जाएगा even with wasting some days। Now what extra needs to be done? The extra things which needs to be done, firstly you have to study from now itself 6 to 7 hours स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करो, डेली 6 to 7 hours स्टार्ट करो। आई हैव नॉट रोट दिस वे दैट यू शुड स्टार्ट विथ एनाटॉमी और फिजियो। अगर तुम्हें अभी बैठने की आदत नहीं है, यू आर नॉट हैविंग दैट मच लॉन्ग टाइम सिटिंग हैबिट दैट यू कैन सिट फॉर 6 to 7 hours, स्टार्ट विथ शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट, दैट विल बी बेटर। डू इट फॉर 1 week, 1 week में हैबिट आ जाएगी। सिट फॉर 2 hours टाइम, 2 hours बैठकर हाफ एन आवर ब्रेक, 2 hour अगेन सिट, हाफ एन आवर ब्रेक, बट हाफ एन आवर कहीं ब्रेक लेना है एंड दैट वे यू कैन कंप्लीट योर 6 hour 7 hour। ट्राई टू इंक्रीज इट, 1 week फॉर 6 hour 7 hour करना, नेक्स्ट वीक टू 8 to 9 करो, 8 to 9 एटलीस्ट राइट नाउ ट्राई, मैक्सिमम 10, डोंट गो फॉर 12 hours नाउ ओनली, यू विल गेट एग्जॉस्टेड। उसका टाइम आएगा 2 months के बाद, बट यू हैव टू बी स्टिक्ड ऑन दिस। सेकेंड थिंग व्हाट यू शुड बी डूइंग, सेकेंड थिंग इज दिस, डेली क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं। नॉट ओनली थ्योरी को हम रटिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं और यू नो रिविजन कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन साथ में सॉल्व करना है। मैंने पहले ही बोला था दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन विथ गिविंग अ जीटी सो दैट यू विल बी नोइंग वेयर आर यू स्टैंडिंग एंड हाउ मच मोर वर्क एंड हार्ड वर्क एंड हाउ मच मोर थिंग यू वांट टू एड ऑन विद दैट, सो यू विल कम टू नो बाय दैट। सो पहले जीटी दे देना, इफ यू हैव नॉट गिव और वट एवर इज योर प्लान, यू हैव टू गिव 2 GTs every month, at least try to give 3 GTs if you can, or else give 2 GT। तो अगस्त जब स्टार्ट होगा 15th अगस्त को एक GT दिया, so next on 30 August you are supposed to give the other GT, but you have to give। अभी उसमें तुम्हारे मेन सब्जेक्ट्स में भी नहीं कवर हुए और मे बी अभी भी 7 सब्जेक्ट्स बाकी हैं, तुमने 11 सब्जेक्ट्स ही किया है या 12 सब्जेक्ट्स ही किया है, इट डजेंट मैटर, स्टिल तुम्हें GT देना है। देने से एडवांटेज क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी द एडवांटेज ऑफ गिविंग GTs इवन विदाउट कंप्लीटिंग ऑल दिस सब्जेक्ट इज दैट द बैलेंस सब्जेक्ट विच यू कंप्लीटेड, you will be knowing how much it is still in your mind। Secondly, the subjects which you didn't complete it and still questions became correct. So why did it become correct? There can be 2 things. Either you guessed or else something it was related to some other subject and you correlated it somehow and you solved the answer. So it is both the things are going to be an advantage for you. Your guessing powers is going to increase and you can learn how to correlate a subject, because when questions come, when the clinical question come, basically clinical questions are not only about a particular subject, उसमें बहुत सारे टाइम बहुत सारे अदर सब्जेक्ट्स का कोरिलेशन होता है। लाइक मेडिसिन, इफ यूल सी मेडिसिन के क्वेश्चंस जब आते हैं, देयर विल बी कोरिलेशन ऑफ पैथोलॉजी विद दैट, some other subjects also will be, radiology, everything will be involved, so you should correlate one subject with the other 2-3 subjects also which it is involving, so that is going to increase, so please give GT। And apart from that you have to solve questions every day from now only। I'm not saying you to solve every day 300 questions right now, that is not possible। I know you will say that we have to study also 8 hours and then after that 2 hours of question solving and then we have to do PSM also, so it's a lot, I know that, but you should, planning is on you, how you have to do, you have to do। Everyone has 24 hours only, it is on us how we plan our day। Without solving some questions, don't sleep at night, what will happen, half an hour 1 hour more you will sit, it's okay, for 6 months you have to sit, after that you are not going to again sit for some days, it is going, think about the result, right now result matters। So अगर 1-2 hour extra करना भी पड़ रहा है apart from your schedule, without solving the questions don't sleep। If you want to solve the questions at night, better come to morning, you'll get up and solve morning, start your day with solving questions, that is going to stimulate your mind to work, to think, so that is also good exercise। Now how much questions to solve, question solving it is on you, if you can from now only at least try 100 to 150 questions daily, slowly just increase it to 300, after 1-2 months you can increase it to 300 questions at least, because exam में 300 questions solve करना है, but 100 to 150 question is okay। अभी suddenly 100 to 150 questions you can't solve, you should start with 50 questions daily, 50 question का एक set at least you can solve। कस्टम मॉड्यूल में जाके 1 सब्जेक्ट का भी बनता है, ऐसा नहीं है उसमें 3-4 सब्जेक्ट चाहिए, कस्टम मॉड्यूल में जाके 1 सब्जेक्ट का 50 का मॉड्यूल एक बना लिया एंड गिव इट, or else which subject you are studying you can solve the questions of that subject also। 50 questions, I mean it is not entirely necessary 50 questions, जरूरी नहीं है, because in one topic you can have more than 50 questions, or maybe in one topic which you studied today in that just 30 questions are there, so you know you solve some extra PYQs also. So that way you can at least try 50 to 60 questions daily ke karna. Slowly every week increase it by 10. First week 50 kiya, next week 60, then 70, 80, and then you will come on 100. So that way you should be increasing that. So both the things should go alongside, because more of them who didn't pass this time, ask yourself, where did you lag? More of them for answer would be that question solving part was less. Now question solving part was less. Why was it less? You know it better. Whether you were only focusing on theories, you were afraid of giving GTs, you were not solving question, you were keeping it for afterwards. Because देखो, question solving तुम्हें ही करना है. You only have to solve it, and there are a lot of questions to be solved. I mean, ideally, if we on YouTube give you suggestions, you should be solving your custom modules also, your topic by modules also, you should making custom modules also. Then you should be solving PYQs also, you should be solving INICT questions also, previous year questions, and NEET PG के भी previous year questions करना है. उसके ऊपर FMG solution 2 बारी करना है. So this is a lot. By saying it is 3 to 4 thing, okay, we can count it on finger. But when the person actually does it, it's a lot. I was not able to do entirely previous year questions till 2020, which I was supposed to do in 2023. I was not able to do. I was not able to do NEET PG 2 years for. I just did one paper. Because it's a lot to do. Whether you can do FMG solution for 2 times, that only itself is a hectic thing to do every subject from that 2 times. But you have to try your best how much more questions you can solve. That is good. Make a habit from now only that तुम्हें 3 GTs देने को I have suggested, right? तुम 2 GT दो and 1 PYQ दे दो. Don't give 3 GTs. 1 GT, 1 Sunday को GT दिया, next Sunday को एक PYQ कर लिया, again next Sunday को एक GT दिया. So in week 3 Sundays will come, 3 to 4 Sundays, 3 Sunday for you sorted. 1 Sunday for you can take a day off, you can study for 2 to 3 hours in morning, solve some questions or maybe do any revision of any small subjects, and you can take a day off. So that, but do a commitment. Monday to Saturday I am going to study nicely full 8 to 10 hours, and Sunday I am going to take off for 3 to 4 hours extra. So that way if you plan, you won't feel so much frustrated. Also you will have some time for going out and having some kind of enjoyment. So these are some things which you should make a routine in this such a way. I mean, I don't think that is also ideally a good routine where you now itself from 12 hours you are sitting 12 to 13 hours every day, not taking any day off. In that mind, if you are sitting now, trust me, it is not going to happen. There are days going to come, someone is going to become sick, you are going to become sick, any wedding is there, any festival is there, you have to go somewhere, or that day maybe your internet is not working, or prep ladder is down that day. A lot of things happens. So 1 or 2 days, more than that in fact, is going to come where you are not going to study. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to study. You can still study within that days. I mean, you have notes, right? Any subject also, if you're having notes, just go back and revise that. Just one commitment do with yourself, which just follow my one suggestion and try to do one commitment with you. How much days also is there? I am not going to keep any day that way where I didn't study anything. Whatever also is the situation, like I have to go anywhere or something is happening around me, I will take out at least 2 hours in that whole busy day to study. Now what I have to study, it doesn't matter. You can go and simply see the questions, you can solve questions, you can revise a subject, you can just simply go and see pharma, drugs, anything, but at least 2 hours I am going to take out from whole day to study. If that commitment you're going to keep now, your note days are going to get waste. After you're not wishing to study that day or any situation it is, just 2 hours study and then you are free for whole day, you see movies, you go out, it's not a problem. But make a commitment to yourself, I am not going to keep any day from today onwards till December exam, which day I didn't study anything. So that kind of some commitments are needed from your side, and I just hope that this, it was not kind of a timetable, I just gave you some plot how much maximum and minimum days you should be planning your first revision. This is just for your first revision. If you have not completed your subjects entirely till now, you can switch to rapid revisions for some subjects. And if you have not completed like anything and you can't do these routines with yourself, like you are not that much disciplined and all, again it's a suggestion, please join coaching classes or an online course. That is going to be better for you. But this was something which I wanted to share from my side, and I hope that this gives you an idea about how to plan till October. Try to finish everything maximum till October 15, and if you can till September 30, but maximum you can take 15 days more in your hand. You'll have enough time for the revision plan, and I definitely at that time I'll come up with a revision plan, but this will be the overall first revision plan of yours, or else whatever you say, whether it is first revision or first complete studying of whatever subjects are left. So plan this accordingly. Don't forget to give GTs and please solve questions daily. So that was all, and I know the video has become big, so sorry for that, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, if you need any kind of help, text me on Instagram or else say in comment box, and I will come back again with a new video. Till then, keep studying, start again, be positive, and just study. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.